IP T103 Algorithms and Programming. Question. In a queue, 3 elements 33, 27, and 12 are stored, i.e. enqueued, in this order. After another element 45 is enqueued to the queue, 2 elements are retrieved, i.e. dequeued. Which of the following is the second element to be dequeued? A. 27, B. 12, C. 33, D. 45. Queue is a linear data structure in which first element is inserted from one end called rear, and the deletion of existing element takes place from the other end called front. The process to add an element into queue is enqueue, and the process of removal of an element from queue is called dequeue. So when we add element to the queue, the rear keeps on moving ahead, always pointing to the position where the next element will be inserted, while the front remains at the first. So if we mark on the diagram, we have the rear arrow marked in blue, and this arrow will be moving forward or ahead. So this will be moving towards this direction and always pointing to the position where the next element will be inserted. So here. Whereas the front remains at the first. So this red arrow will remain in this position. So when we are storing 3 elements, 33, 27, and 12 in this order in a queue, the rear would be 12 and the front will be 33. And when we add an element, 45, it will be added over here. So at the rear, a new element would be added. Now let's see what happens when we are retrieving elements from the queue. We're going to retrieve 2 elements from the queue. First of all, as it says in the question, retrieval of first element, 33. So we are removing 33 from the queue, and the front is now 27. Elements will be removed from the front, not the rear. So 33 was removed from the front, and 27 is now at the front, and the rear stays as 45. Now the question asked, what element is removed next? Now retrieval of second element will be 27, because 27 was at the front after the removal of 33. So 27 is removed, and the front is now 12, and the rear is 45. So according to the question, element 27 to be dequeued as second element. So the answer is A, 27.